I'm gonna go into the first color, which I'm gonna use burnt orange. It looks like that. It's just a very light orange color. I'm just gonna apply this right into the crease area. And then sienna. And I'm just gonna put that right underneath where I put the burnt orange. And then now we're gonna go into Cypress Umber, which I really love that color. I'm gonna go into that with a very small brush though, like a smaller brush. And actually, you know what? I'm gonna go into Mulberry first. And I'm just gonna apply that right into the crease. Not taking it up, but leaving it right in there. And slowly going back and forth. Now we're just gonna use that bigger brush and just kind of blend everything together. Actually go in with a little bit of that Cypress Umber color and just drag that right along the outer corner. Very little bit. Kind of creating a line almost. Apply some concealer on my lid. The color that I'm going to go into is right here called Glistening, and run that right along the eye area. I love that. It's such a pretty color. I'm gonna go into this color called Rustic. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that and put this right into the crease area. Because I still want it to have that warmth to it, and apply that right into the crease. Bronze. And I'm just gonna tap that just right on the top half of the eye, right here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and run Mulberry right underneath my eyes. End of the eye. I don't want to go in with the black because I want this to be a little bit of a lighter look. Perfect. Just a nice line right on top. And out the eye. I want it to be as seamless as possible. Just picked up these lashes from Amazon, so I'm really excited to try them out. I will leave the link where I got it from below. Alright guys, so now we're gonna use the blush kit from Anastasia. I'm so excited I got all of these things. I think the blush that I want to use today is this one, so I'm gonna go for a little bit of a deeper look. I'm gonna grab that and then just tap it on lightly. I love the way that this comes out. It's so nice and so airy and light. I love it. My Refined Golden. Grab this all over. I actually want to go ahead and try the Vitalist Healthy Glow. I'm just gonna dust this, or actually just place it right on top. Just blend it around a bit. This is so nice. I like this. It's a nice base. Actually, it's a nice highlighter on its own, but it's also a very nice base as well. So that Revitalist Healthy Glow is bomb. I love that for natural glow. Yes. Alright, so now I'm gonna put a little bit more oomph into it and go in with the Reesiibabe highlighter. I got that on my Anastasia brush. Oh, okay, girl. I like that this is kind of like the powder form to that Vitalist Glow one. But this girl is live. I love that she says on the back of the packaging that it's sun in a compact, because it really is like sun in a compact. You only get this glow like in the sunlight, and there's just no sunlight outside, so I love this. I'm gonna go into the Spill Cosmetics Amore. So there we have the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was really fun to do. I really enjoyed the Soft Glam palette. I feel like this formula is very similar to the Modern Renaissance formula. It's very soft, they're very buttery and creamy and easy to apply and easy to go on. Make sure though that you're not digging your brushes into any of the products, because obviously they're so soft and buttery that they will break apart, and you know, you don't want that. Obviously it's not as bad as a Subculture now comparing the two, but I still personally think the Subculture is bomb, so that's just my opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe and follow me on all my socials to keep up with me, and I will talk to you guys in another video. See you later.